welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Hannah and today we're gonna do a nice little apartment update since you guys know I just moved to LA and I just wanted to also find an excuse to clean my apartment. So today I'm gonna show you what we have done decoration wise and also clean my room, clean my apartment, and clean everything around, and also just like add a little bit of my touch to the pieces and explain what I did with my own personal touch to make my apartment more like me. So yeah, keep on watching. Hey guys, before we clean the living room, I was thinking I need to do something with my case because my Octobuddy got super gross and it won't stick. It keeps falling off my phone when I'm trying to film. I bought a new one, so we're gonna deep clean our phone and probably toss this. I wish I could just keep reusing this, but it's gone. She's not hanging on to my phone any longer. I have a paper towel and some 70% isopropyl alcohol. And we're just gonna deep clean our phone case because when's the last time you cleaned your phone case? Ever since I saw that one fact about phones being dirtier than a toilet, that freaked me out, and I'm always trying to clean my phone. And we're gonna wipe our phone down with the alcohol until it's super shiny and clean. Okay, I actually had to wash it with some dish soap, but it's still a little sticky, so I hope this sticks because we got a brand new Octobuddy. Ta-da! Let's see. I love this phone case, by the way. It's from Glony, but it always sucks having to put this on because I don't want to ruin the case. But this is like an essential for me. I really need this. It helps my phone grip onto things, especially when I'm filming. And there we go. New phone. Who dis? Okay, if you guys watch my Instagram stories, you guys know that this little Costco storage box has been our TV stand the last month. We've had it. Actually, we had it on the floor and my boyfriend was like, you know what? We need to raise it up. So we brought this. And I hate it so much. So as part of our DIY house glow up chore cleaning video for our house, I actually bought a TV stand. And we're gonna build it today. This area needs a glow up and I need to clean the rest. I'm not like a very, like, I don't know, like, oh, I'm not picky, but this was not it. All right, lady friends, I asked 2 guy friends to help me and no one wants to help me build. So this is a woman's project. We're gonna build this TV stand with these woman hands by myself. And we'll show them what's up. Am I lying, girl? Am I right, ladies? Let's do this. Okay, guys, my boyfriend came to help me. He came to help because I asked for help after like 5 minutes. That's gonna work. Teamwork. Wow, guys, look, it's looking so good. Looking amazing. Can't wait to replace this. Ta-da! It looks so good. Now, I'm in the middle of decorating TV stand. Cute. Okay, this is a living. Oh wait, hold on. Let me turn the lamp on. It'll look way cuter with the lamp. Ta-da! Okay, this is a living room update. I love the way our living room looks. And the last time you guys saw it, it looks a little bit different, right? New TV stand, lamp. We have definitely been living in it, and I'm gonna clean this up now. Ta-da! So clean! Less clutter, less stuff. This side is my boyfriend's side. We're just gonna forget about this and focus only on this. The next thing I really want to do is I got this deep pillar and I want to deep pill my couch right here. Like you see how like a little, okay, I did a little bit. Okay, this for example, you see all these things? What I do, I'll turn this on and I'll literally just shave my pillow. And it cleans it all up so it looks a lot nicer, neater. Ta-da! I literally take so many naps here and it's so spacious. I really like it. I love my lamp that we got to hang up. I also love this picture frame that we included, the one that I made with the Aritzia bag. Yeah. I was thinking we could do some decorating and I got this frame from IKEA like 2 years ago and I never filled it up. I was gonna buy like posters and like really pretty pictures to fill in, but it's kind of expensive and every time I look at it I'm always like, I think I can draw that. And I did not bring any of my sketchbook or coloring stuff, so I don't think I can draw anything. But I went shopping and I got this Aritzia bag and I was like, this is a really pretty print, so I'm gonna see if I could try to fit it in there. The dimensions are not right and it's too small, but let's see what we can do here. Okay, we have a dilemma. I have this frame, but it's too small for the frame. And I was trying to think, what can I do? Like I was trying different options. I was like, maybe I can do this, use the white border and maybe go like this, but it doesn't fit. So I had this idea. I found this black paper bag and I was thinking maybe I can cut a strip like this and then tape it on so it looks like the black background is continuing. I don't know if it's gonna work, but worth a shot. I kind of like the same ink color. Even if it's a little off, I don't think anyone's gonna notice because it's just a painting. So let's see how this works. I hope it works. I was thinking maybe I could use a Sharpie and just make, you know, color in a piece of paper and make it like black. I don't think it's gonna be as jet black as these ink papers are. When I saw this bag, I was like, wait, I think I'm onto something. Okay. I don't know if this is creative or if this is dumb. Let's just work with what we got. You know, I'm not made out of money. Gotta be creative with our ideas. All right. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, honestly, not bad. I don't think you'll notice it in the frame. Let's put this together. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, I think that's really good. Oh my gosh, I mean, if you really look carefully, you can see it. But I think for now, on a budget, this is really good until I can get like either a smaller frame or if I get a sketchbook and some colored pencils. I think this will do. Cute! Oh my gosh, is this your sign to save your Aritzia bags? And we have our little Kirby's here. He's rocking a little hat. And over here, I have my jelly cat and my book and my road. Yeah, I'll just put it here. I don't want to clean that up. Next, we're gonna get my handy Dyson that we just bought recently, clip it in, and get to vacuuming. Also, there's some construction outside, so sorry it's providing weird noise.
Vejo dominó na esquina e banguelo sorrindo de alegria.
this is what the clean, updated place looks like. Dun, 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 dun. Love it. I'm already putting some stuff there. Anyways, I want to show you guys a TV stand because I just decorated it. I have a few of my Aesop perfumes. I just got this one yesterday and I really love the scent. It also came with this beautiful little nose. I think it's so cute, and this like amber tray thing. My Diptyque rose candle that my friends got me for my birthday. This Glossier candle that I love. It smells like vanilla. My house keys. Isn't that so cute? My friend got this for me from Japan. And then my friend Ryan got me this full art Sylveon card. Like, look at this. Mint 10 epicness. And I put this on this little wooden easel that I got, which is the same one that I put Jungkook on over here. I think it's so cute here. One thing that I do want is like a diffuser, but I heard a lot of diffusers and plug-in candles, plug-in scents are very, I don't know, toxic. So I'm gonna spray this. I know this is perfume, but I kind of want to spritz it a little bit around the house because I really like this scent. So let's try it. Like 1 spritz, 2. Ta-da! Just cleaned the fridge and I just bought these magnets and I put these pictures up. I think it's so cute. My man's, or my man's, mystery man's, mystery man's, my man's, or mystery man's. But I love it. I think this is so cute. See, this is what I mean by like my space is kind of like personalized by me, because look at these star magnets. How cute is that? Okay guys, on a part of our organization journey, I bought some baskets and I'm going to try to put them into the TV stand so I can have more space to like organize our things. Cute? Cute! So cute! Boyfriend approved! And I actually have these at home and Lauren took some and I think they're really cute. They store like a good amount of stuff. 1 crate. So easy. I thought it would be really nice to have some storage space. Dude, check this out. Like a magic show. So let's see. They're supposed to be able to fit in here. I did the measurements, but they kind of look kind of big. Let's see. Moment of truth. Perfect! Some of my stuff can go into here. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love it. Ta-da! This is ugly. Ta-da! I think that's so cute. And I have this box of skincare that Skin 1004 sent me. So I think I'm gonna stuff some of them. Okay, that's not gonna fit in here. Ta-da! Just ignore this. I don't really want to buy another basket because I wanted to keep that one open for other things and I'll probably use those up right now. I love it. I love this girl home. Plus my boyfriend. Mid-cleaning session. Ow! Ow! Oh! Boyfriend's practicing on me. Or that you hit the spot. Oh. I'm the doctor in this house. Is that not it? And the next thing I really want to do is tackle, like, that's my Wi-Fi box. I'm not sure what I want to do with it. It's kind of an eyesore, but if I cover it up, the Wi-Fi gets so spotty and so bad. So I'm just leaving it out in the open right now. But guys, I really like my new apartment. It's so cute and I just love that we were able to like customize it to our style. And I think my boyfriend really likes it too. It's not just me that's decorating it. Well, it is, but like he likes it too. So it's perfect. It feels like home. It's cozy. So I've been really loving my place and I'm really proud of it. So I'm really excited to share it with you guys. And yeah, the construction's ruining the vibe. Sorry guys.